Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to share DoorDash tracking. First, open the DoorDash app and go to your active order. Tap the share button to send the live tracking link to friends or family so they can see real-time updates on your delivery. If you're a Dasher, go to Account, then Settings, and Save Dash to safely share your location with trusted contacts while you're on a delivery. For group orders, use the shareable link so everyone can add items to one cart, making ordering easier and more fun. And that's it. That's how to share DoorDash tracking. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.